Hello, Jefferson Multimedia. One of the biggest problems I see as a middle school teacher is my students pointing at their work and saying, I'm done, when they're still learning what the assignment is. So for the past 2 days, we've been working on recipe cards in Canva. Many of us say that we're finished, but I'm betting that what many of us did was to literally copy and paste every word from a website into Canva and say, finished. So I want to add a layer to the assignment where you show me that you can paraphrase things and put them into your own words. And this is so easy with something so small. I'm going to show you. Here's how. Let's start with the ingredients. Now remember, as you do this, we don't want a lot of ingredients. We want like minimal stuff, right? So that I can show you that I can paraphrase stuff, I'm going to copy my ingredients right here. And I click, and then I click copy, yeah. Then I go to Google Docs. I'm going to create a what? A blank document. And I have a thing, before you do anything else, name your document what your food is. And there's this one recipe that I love, and I cannot get enough of it. Huevos rancheros, otherwise known as rancher's eggs. This is a really good breakfast, right? So name your document and then go to Insert Table. Insert Table. And then see how it says 1 by 1? I want you to, come on, get back there, dude. There we go. I want you to click the box right next to the 1 by 1, which is 2 by 1. So let me say that again. Insert Table. Go over to 2 by 1, click it. See how it's split into 2 parts? Then I'm going to paste, Control V. So I've got my ingredients over here, right? To paraphrase things, I like to cut them into pieces so it's easy what to do. And see how there's a lot of words in here? If we want to make this really minimalistic, we don't need to say all of those words. And let's change the order. So I'm going to take the first one, I'm going to put it at the top. About a quarter of a teaspoon salt. So it doesn't have to be sea salt. So I've just taken this fraction quarter teaspoon and changed it to quarter of a teaspoon salt. So salt is done. What comes next? Lime juice? I'm just going to put these in reverse order because a great way to paraphrase things is just to put the order backwards. 2 TWO tablespoons of lime juice. So about 1 medium lime, I can leave that out, right? Next one, let's go up to the onion. Quarter cup. Finely chopped onion. If you want to use a yellow onion instead of a white onion, dude, be my guest. What else do we have? How about 2 tomatoes? No, how about 2 chopped tomatoes? So I don't say 2 medium ripe tomatoes, comma, chopped about 1½ cups. I just say 2 chopped tomatoes. See how this equals this? We don't have to have a ton of detail on every single thing because we want to keep this short, right? What's the last one? Oh, cilantro. 1/4 cup cilantro. Nah. 1/4 cup chopped cilantro. See. So, I want you to do me a favor. A lot of us are going to get upset that we have an extra step. I did this step live in front of you in 2 minutes? So, okay, maybe 3 minutes, but do me a favor. I don't want you to sit at your desk and be mad because I'm asking you to do an extra step. Just do the extra step, right? And I want you to save this so I can see it, so I can see where did you start with and how did you paraphrase it. You can switch the orders of things. You can write the words out instead of using fractions. If they have it written out like me, you could use the fractions. And also, you can summarize and take out all of the detail. You don't have to tell us to mix something in a bowl, because duh, we know to mix it in a bowl. But I want us to start with this and paraphrase your ingredients. I want to see what you got from the internet. then what you changed it into. Then down below that, I want to see the directions, the steps for doing it, right? And then what you changed it into. But I want you to be able to show me, here's where I started, and here's how I rewrote this. It's not even a full sentence. And then we'll talk about design and how to put it together. But this is what I want us to do today. Once that's done, let's go back into the design, and we'll talk about how to make it look cool. Thanks, bye-bye.